Texas is reclosing bars after hitting pause on more reopenings yesterday. ABC's Rena Roy has details on some of the latest developments across the country.
As several states see progress in reopening and some people fight against mask wearing,
are you going to allow the government to tell you you have to wear a mask?
Much of the nation is doubling down on restrictions once again. At least 29 states facing a rise in cases.
It's a very difficult time in the hospital right now. Obviously, for patients, they're talking to me and they're talking to me about their fears, and they're really terrified.
Traveling nurse Bridget Harrigan first treated patients in hard-hit New York City. Now she's in Arizona, a hotspot which has paused its reopening plans. New Mexico and Texas doing the same. Texas seeing record-high hospitalizations for 13 of the last 14 days. The governor of Texas shutting down bars again today, saying they can only stay open for takeout and delivery, also scaling back on dine-in services at restaurants.
We are definitely feeling the surge in Houston. More people are getting sick.
In Dallas, Adriana Morales was sent home from the hospital with pneumonia, then collapsed in front of her son. She's since been treated for COVID-19 with breathing trouble, migraines, and lung pain.
It's horrible. It's real. Take it seriously.
Some facilities reaching capacity. 82% of Alabama ICU beds are full, according to a FEMA update obtained by ABC News. 34% are filled in California. In Florida, new cases have topped 5,000 2 days in a row.
We are in a worse situation than we were at the beginning of the pandemic. Absolutely.
Meantime, the White House Coronavirus Task Force back in action today, addressing the country this afternoon for the first time in nearly 2 months.
And Dr. Birx and I will be traveling on Sunday to Texas, on Tuesday to Arizona, and I'll be traveling to Florida on Thursday of next week to get a ground report.
Despite this uptick in numbers, both American and United Airlines, which were originally selling fewer middle seats, have now announced today that they will be booking to capacity. United's new policy effective immediately. Americans will begin on July 1st. Both, however, still require face coverings on board. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.